All right, one of the biggest things I saw this year is actually pre-program hands that can help you in pretty much any ways. You guys can see this is a demo that we're looking at. It brings the material up, drops it down, and of course on the other level here, they actually program it right now. So
So it's very simple. We're going to go ahead
and here we are teaching the machine. That's what we're doing.
Yep. So reads like a storyboard. By default, it has a loop forever. So anything that we put underneath this loop forever will in fact loop forever. So I'm going to go ahead and teach it 3 spaces, and we're going to have the robot move through those spaces.
Okay.
And it'll be a simple program. They're over here.
This is for all the manufacturers that are looking for automated systems that move equipment, maybe compute some functions, like cutting, moving, pretty much anything. This machine can do a lot of those functions, but it's all pre-programmed through an iPad. So here's a demo. So once you program all the pre-functions, once you set that up, the system starts running. Something like this, how long did it take to program something like this?
I think this is only like 40 lines of code, so...
Oh, it's not bad.
No, maybe
Now,
15 minutes.
every line of code has to have a name, a number, or something to coordinate that stuff?
So we could take a look at the program, right?
Okay.
This reads like a storyboard. So
Yeah.
first things first is we got the move arm step. Moves arm to the home position. We actuate the gripper to make sure there's no parts in the gripper.
Yeah.
From there, we go into our loop forever. So that's the actual picking up and placing up from each. We have 4 grids tossed.
Yeah, yeah.
So it goes from one grid to another grid and then repeats. So that's kind of what's being shown right here.
Now, any oddities, like if it hits something or maybe the chair moves or something, the table moves or something happens, does it reply back to you or does it stop? Or
So with this program, it's based on the position. So
Okay.
if we move these trays,
Yeah.
it will throw off the actual program.
Okay.
If we used our vision system in a different demonstration, then it wouldn't be an issue. But for this program, it's just going off of based on save it lanes.